Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Bank on It. The song is Bank on It, the artist is BURNA Boy, and the choreography is Debbie MEEKS. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is a demo. If you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, please watch till the end. And here we go.
Most diagnosed, so my papa know I got that 9-5 where my hands and be my color. I ain't going out, better you can put that 100 on it. Anything I say, that's 10 on it. In a private lane, that's 10 on it. They food and they call me, I'm calling. Cause I walk around with them, I'm coming. Shoot that them stand, put the gun on it. Use my fingers so bam, bam on it. You can put 100 gram on it. Anything that I say, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. They who then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with a bank on it. Show the gang and start with the gang on it. Twist my fingers up and bang on it. You can bang on it. You can put 100 gram on it. Anything that I say, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. You can put 100 gram on it. Anything that I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. They who then they call me, I'm calling. Cause I walk around with a bank on me. Shutting down style with a gang on it. Switch my fingers up and bang on it.
And there you go. Bank on it. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.